Please allow me to tell you about today's sponsor, and that is Squarespace. Squarespace Templates makes creating a powerful online identity even easier. Each template is a starting point for a wide range of products, whether you're pursuing your side hustle or promoting your main gig. Create a beautiful website with Squarespace's all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. Squarespace provides award-winning 24/7 customer support. And it's never been easier to set up a store and sell online. Squarespace allows you to manage your products, orders, and inventory easily. Squarespace makes it quick and simple to get you up and going without knowing a thing about code, the cloud, or servers. Start your free trial today at squarespace.com and go to squarespace.com/makesomething to get 10% off your first purchase. Think it, dream it, make it with Squarespace. All right, so there they are. We just took the hollow core mahogany doors and we sanded them down and we painted them with this eggshell gray, which is going to be part of the theme in this room here. And this trim, it just comes from Home Depot, and it is made to hold a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet of paper. I'll show you the paper that I'm using. So this is a stack of paper that it's like cardstock that I got from Michael's. And I think this was like 18 bucks or something, and it has all different kinds, so I could go and swap these out whenever I want to. This is just acrylic, and then on top of this acrylic is this cling stuff. It's like the stuff that you would put on a bathroom window so people don't see your business, and it's not sticky, it's just a cling on. It was cut to size, and then you use soap and water on the glass or acrylic for what I'm using here, and you stick it on there and you squeegee that off. And I wanted this like blurry texture to kind of give it some depth. And the thought is I could also put in like photos in here. So instead of just colored paper, I could maybe do like a cityscape or a fake room on the other side there, just to play around with this. So that is that. I'll open this up. This is my closet door here, which is a total disaster. It's like in the cartoons, you open up the closet door and everything falls out. And then this goes out to the hall. We got some new hardware for the doors. This is my office. We've been in here a couple times before when we made the file cabinets, and so this room was like the weird room in the house. It had like 50-year-old carpet and it smelled really bad, and it had this mahogany paneling all the way around, and it probably looks cool on camera, but it's really ugly, it's really beat up, and it's all warped and wavy. So we took the paneling down over here and we drywalled it. By we, I mean myself. And I did an okay job. I'm not the best drywall person. I'm not very good at the mudding and doing the seams. This wall is going to have this fake stone on here for the entire wall. So these two walls here, the one you see and the one you can't see, the one with the window, they're going to have this fake stone, and then these two walls are white. Well, this wall is white. The other wall, we did the magnetic dry erase board underneath the bookcase that runs along the top there. So this is my office. It's still a work in progress. It's funny when you move into a place and you have all these ideas of like, I'm gonna do all these crazy things to this room, but as soon as the room becomes functional and you're able to work in it, all those ideas get put on hold, because sometimes getting work done is more important than the aesthetics of your place. So at least that's what happened here in my case. So we're definitely going for a very mid-century modern look in this room, and so that's why we have the bright primary colors. They tend to be used a lot in the 50s for decor. But the cool thing is it can just be swapped out. Oh, I should talk about what's holding these guys on. So in here, they're just two magnets. And then this is a magnet strip. Let's see if I have some of this over here. So this is the magnet sheet. This comes from Amazon. Just cut it into thin strips, and it's got a sticky back side. So I just put a little piece there that's hidden behind the trim, and then that falls into place. It works pretty good. What I should have done is put two opposite little rare earth magnets into the wall so it would always line up perfect. But if you play with it for a second, you can get it. I use my table saw and a picture frame making jig to cut these because that's the easiest way for me to do it. The easiest and quickest because it has a stop. You don't need a table saw. You definitely could easily do that with this the little miter saw and a jig and cut it by hand. With that jig, there's no stop, so you got to just make sure you're actually cutting on your mark line. I would like to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and I would like to thank you for watching. And we'll see you next week. As always, be safe, have fun, stay passionate, and make something.